Let's bury the competition.
And they're off! What acceleration! They passed the first marker 0.2 of a second faster than the company car. There's a good reason why the Undertaker and Rhodes are the favorites.
Let me tell you what, we gonna make it to the pay window.
Oh my! Ladies and gentlemen, there's been an explosion on the track, and out of nowhere a new car has appeared. The new car is chasing the Legendmobile.
What the devil?
The devil it is.
This just got a lot more interesting.
Our sky drone cameras are picking up the driver, Michael.
That's no superstar.
Then who is it?
Not anyone I want to know. Me neither.
Security's been called. This monstrous vehicle must be stopped before it can... Oh! It just rammed into the Legendmobile!
Stranger, you just dug your own grave.
Yes! The Undertaker is fighting back! This demonic driver picked a fight with the wrong... Wait a minute! Is that a scorpion tail? My goodness! The demonic racer has wrecked the Legendmobile! Team Legend may be seriously hurt! I've seen some movement inside the twisted wreckage. Yes! Team Legend is okay!
The curse of Inferno is upon you. End this race or suffer.
Doesn't seem neighborly at all.
Looks like Dusty is gonna teach this monster a lesson.
We gonna get funky like a monkey.
Vintage Dusty Rhodes! The American dream is off his feet! Oh no!
Oh, Dusty! Run, creature, but you can't hide. In the end, no man or beast escapes the Undertaker.